Hi everyone, welcome to chapter 7. So this last chapter here, this last chapter review probably won't be quite as long as some of the other ones. Because really the last chapter in the book just kind of takes everything that we've looked at so far and sums it up. So let's just make a quick summary of some of the big points. So when we look at what we've learned in the course of reading this book, and we've looked at all the things that we've discussed in regard to human-centered design, we look at what design should do. And so design should make it easy to determine what actions are possible at any moment. So when your users are on your website, they should be able to know what to do. Make things visible, and make it easy to evaluate the current state of the system. So again, when they're on your website, they should understand all the options that they have. So not just what actions they're able to do, but what they'll get when they do these actions and all of these things. We want to follow natural mappings, and when we're talking about natural mappings in this case, we're talking about our design patterns. So we want to do things that our users are conditioned to do because of their knowledge in the head or knowledge in the world. They gain these natural mappings. So we want to follow these patterns in order to do these things. So these are things that design should do. And there's also making difficult tasks simple. And here's how we can do that. We use both the knowledge in the world and the knowledge in the head, which we've talked about ad nauseum. We simplify the structure of tasks. We make things visible by bridging the gulfs of execution and evaluation. And we get our mappings right. And all of this allows us to exploit the power of constraints, both natural and artificial, because we're able to use the constraints to our advantage. And of course, we want to design for error, and when all else fails, standardize. Make something that looks like everything else that people are used to. Because remember, the tools not only control what we do, but how we do it, and the way we view ourselves, society, and the world. So our design, in turn, can change a task, society, and the world. Because really, when we look at it, what this entire book has kind of told us is the future. It's kind of up to us. We can design the future. So the future of the web, in our case, is up to us. We just need to be able to design it in such a way that our users can go along with us. And so that's all I have for this video. Again, a really short video to kind of wrap up the book. But again, the last chapter is more of a review. So just some things to think about as you move forward. Thank you for watching.